Hi guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a No-Groni. So that is an alcohol-free Negroni. And the first thing going in is our gin alternative, which is going to be some of this lovely Seedlip Spice 94. And we want 25 mils or 1 shot of our Seedlip. Next thing, in place of sweet vermouth, we're going to be using some of this Æcorn Aromatic alcohol-free spirit. Just like the gin, we're going to do 1 shot or 25 mils of that. And then our final ingredient, in place of Campari, we are going to be using some Æcorn Bitter. And just like our other 2 ingredients, we want 25 mils of that as well. So there we go. Now that all my ingredients are in the glass, all I need to do is fill this glass up with some cubed ice and give it a stir. I'm not going to fill it all the way up to begin with. Take my spoon, use that just to stir it down. There you go. Once we've given it a good stir, I'm just going to top it up with a bit more cubed ice just to bring it right up to the rim. For a garnish, I'm just going to grab myself an orange and do a nice long piece of orange peel. So I'm just going to peel it over the glass, give this a little twist over the top of the cocktail, rub it around the rim of the glass as well, just so that we get a nice taste of it when we go to take a sip. And that is our No-Groni ready to drink.